If you think your dopamine levels are low, then check out these 6 ways to boost this important neurotransmitter naturally. 1. Meditate. Meditation is one of the most important morning habits you can adopt for a variety of reasons. Not only does it reduce stress, ease chronic pain, boost immunity, and improve focus, but it naturally raises dopamine levels. Although meditation requires a concerted effort and diligence, the results are well worth it. Whether you choose to focus on your breathing practice, yoga poses, or repeat a mantra, there's sure to be a type of meditation that suits you. 2. Exercise. Working out doesn't just benefit the body, it has a hugely positive impact on the mind, too. Consistent exercise over time stimulates dopamine release and uptake in the brain. It also releases other positive neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and endorphins, and lowers levels of the stress hormone cortisol. 3. Massage. Massage and other forms of physical contact are known to increase both happiness levels and immune function, whilst relieving pain and lowering blood pressure. The skin-to-skin contact of massage has even been shown to raise dopamine levels. Enjoy regular back massages or even a stress-relieving foot rub now and then to boost mood and neurotransmitter levels. 4. Turn up the radio. Play your favorite tunes regularly to experience a temporary burst of happiness. Research shows that listening to music can increase dopamine levels briefly, as can the anticipation of hearing your favorite sounds. Other studies have shown that listening to upbeat music daily for just 2 weeks can significantly improve mood and overall happiness levels. 5. Take turmeric. A revered golden-colored spice, turmeric has a long history of use in Ayurvedic medicine. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that is responsible for both its health benefits and its yellow hue, may improve mood by boosting dopamine and other important brain chemicals such as serotonin and brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Be sure to take turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin bioavailability by 2,000%. This highly popular supplement also contains black pepper to dramatically increase the bioavailability of curcumin. 6. Improve gut health. Fostering healthy gut bacteria is probably one of the most important things you can do for your health. Scientists and doctors are continually learning about the complexity of the human gut and its influence over immunity, cognitive function, weight management, hormonal balance, and more. It turns out that dopamine production is dependent on a healthy gut. Not surprising when you discover that the brain and gastrointestinal system share an intimate connection known as the brain-gut axis.